But let me go over some of the things on the box. It says it's a stepless adjustment, meaning that's stepless, where it kind of extends up like that. It's live streaming / filming phone stand. It's got a universal clip that goes down on the bottom that would fit like a table, a desk, or something like that. A stepless rotating design in the middle. It's got a remote control to it. It's compact design, 360 rotatable, and 3 color temperatures. And I will get into the color temperatures here in a minute. And there's actually the instructions are right here on the back. You can see there's a little cord organizer to run your cord up for like charging it or just running power to the light. And there's several ways of doing this. See how there's a fault and a correct of having that light. And I will show that on how to do that. You have the grooves. It reminds you to line the grooves up on the pole, so that way the pole will go up and down. Actually, let me just go ahead and take it out of the box and show you. You get that? So I don't need the box anymore. There's everything. You can look down in there. Nothing's in there. You got a USB-C cable. Here's the unit itself. I'll go over that here in a minute. So a little set of instructions. It kind of goes over everything. A Bluetooth remote control so it can hook to your cell phone. So that way I can hit the button, start my recording, and then stop my recording. I can turn my light on and off and go up and down with it. And these are cord managements that will go on the pole. So you get this little rotating clip, and I've used this on other of their products, and this is a really good clip. You loosen it up and it pops apart like that, and that clip holds way better than any spring-loaded clip or any of those bottom screw mount clips. It's nice and flat, and it's got some padding in there, and it gets very tight just like that. So we'll loosen that up. And then you got the extendable pole. You see how the pole extends like that? And this is something that they do a lot on their product. They have this hinge mount right here in the middle, and you see how this can kind of rotate, and that's why they were talking about the grooves. You want to make sure these grooves are aligned when you close it back up. See that? Because you can easily turn it, and you don't think that it'll go back together. Everybody, make sure you get those grooves lined up. You see how that mounts like that. And when you're running this light, what you want to do is get the light, turn it over, and run it in this position. Do not run it like this. So it kind of looks like it would work like that, but it's actually designed to be ran just like that. And you have the USB-C inlet right there to charge it. Let me go ahead and mount this thing. Actually, let's look at it and let me show you how it works. So in the middle, you've got your phone mount right here, and you see it's on one of those spring-loaded. It's got a little NAR grip right there too. And this rotates around, by the way. There's the little eye for the remote. I don't know if the remote will, oh, it does, look at that. The remote's already programmed for the light. So there's one, there's 2, 3, there's the 3 light modes, and then you got up and down. So see how I can go brighter or dimmer by the plus and minus. That'll be the button right there that you'll use for starting and stopping your videos. So let's go ahead and turn this off. And to do it, you're just going to hold it down for 3 seconds. And then there's a button right here that does the same thing. See that? There's the 3 color modes. Hold it back down. There it is. Let me go ahead and mount this thing to my desk, and let me show you. And everybody, this is a very firm grip. You could almost carry this table around by how tight that grip is. Now I can lower it back down. So you got to lift it up to lower it back down. Now what it is, it's set in this position. I've got the phone mounted just like that. And you see how that's in there? Now watch, I can turn it upright like this. And I can use the little remote. That remote will turn it on. It is on. So now I can film directly down like that. And I can also turn it up like this. See how if I wanted to film or do some sort of like product review on my phone, I've got it all right here. And then if I want to like move it around, I can move it like that. So if I'm doing like a live stream, this is exactly how this would work. And you see how I've got a complete live stream going right there with this. And if I want to turn it on and off, I could easily do that. Good for anyone that's doing like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or doing any type of live streaming. And they just want to have a complete setup at a very quality and an affordable price. I recommend this. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the stepless live streaming kit. See you on the next video.